Stratus, we've been in business about 40 years now. From our very first days in business, we've been helping companies make sure that their mission critical applications always run. You run Stratus Technology and Stratus infrastructure to do that. From telcos to credit card, financial services, to factories, to now at the edge in remote locations that really need that support, where they don't have IT staff and need reliable infrastructure. When it comes to edge computing versus the cloud, there's been a significant uptick in cloud deployments over the last few years. I would say that there's always going to be the need for an on-premise deployment. Think about that data repository and some of the analysis that gets done at the cloud. But a lot of that data collection and that data processing and the real-time decision-making is happening at the edge. That idea of artificial intelligence, machine learning, we're finding that most of that is happening at the edge. What we like to say is we've built products that are built for hybrid OT environments. We're finding a lot of projects where it's a remote location or a stranded asset and they don't have IT or even OT capability. The edge computing platform that we have is it's a product called ZTC Edge. AVEVA and Stratus have had a long relationship together, many solid use cases and stories, and have been partners in the ecosystem world of the Wonderware days. We're working together from a product management standpoint to ensure that ZTC can fulfill all the requirements necessary to run the AVEVA software stack. We've done the hard work of making sure that our plumbing, the AVEVA software running on our hardware just works. It's easy to deploy, easy to maintain. So the first step is we're giving them a total package that gives them not only the software but also a hardware stack, again, built for the edge. But we've done all the heavy lifting to make sure that when they get the combined solution, it just works. I look at APM at the edge really when it comes to stranded assets. Assets that in the past you couldn't manage, you couldn't connect to. They were kind of forgotten in the world of asset management. I think those are now becoming a more critical part of someone's overall view of APM. And then I think the analytics play and some of the condition-based monitoring and some of the rotating equipment management, that's really a good use cases to run at the edge. I think with the oil and gas market, certainly stranded assets are one that we've found adoption. Anyone who's managing remote inventory, when you think about what AVEVA is doing with Edge to Enterprise, it's a perfect fit for what we're trying to do. With InTouch Edge and InTouch and System Platform and their APM story, we think we can bring value by putting ZTC and FT Server, two products that are suited for the edge, in combination with the AVEVA software stack and really provide a solution to their customer base and our customer base.